Good afternoon. I'm Sheriff T.K. Waters. Earlier today, JSO arrested Sergeant Michael Russell for battery on a sports official, which is a third-degree felony. Over this past weekend, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office Integrity and Special Investigations Unit commenced an investigation pertaining to Sergeant Russell when the agency was notified of a potential criminal allegation. This morning, Sergeant Russell was arrested. Currently, our investigators are working with prosecutors at the state's attorney's office on this pending criminal case. As a matter of background, Sergeant Russell has been employed by JSO for 14 years. His date of hire was July 28, 2008, and he became a sergeant on December 28, 2019. As this is an active criminal case, there is limited information with which I can provide you at this time. After the criminal case is completed, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office will begin an administrative review. The following is a summation of the facts which support Sergeant Russell's arrest. On March 25th, 2023, Sergeant Russell attended a children's soccer game. He attended the game plainclothed and in a non-official capacity. During the game, a fight broke out amongst the players of the respective teams. The referees immediately tried to break up the fight and gain control of the situation. As such, the referees continuously blew their whistles, which they're trained to do. Sergeant Russell walked onto the field toward one of the referees. Then Sergeant Russell struck that referee in the face, knocking the whistle out of his mouth. Based on these facts, Sergeant Russell has been arrested for battery on a sports official. This is the second arrest of a JSO employee by this agency in 2023. In 2022, we had 10 employees arrested for criminal offenses. Listen, we never relish in arresting an employee of this agency. However, our collective belief in transparency, openness, and accountability outweighs any personal allegiance. We are a society of laws and no one is above those laws. If one of our employees violates a criminal statute, this agency will fully investigate that violation, or that allegation. And if investigators find that employee, and that there's probable cause to arrest that employee for the allegation, this agency will hold that employee accountable. I'm happy to take any questions that you may have at this time.
Still with the homicide?
No, he is not. He is currently defrocked and he is sitting someplace for us to finish our process. He was just arrested this morning. He is no longer in homicide.
Still on the force until after the
Until we go through the entire process, he is currently still employed, but he has been arrested.
You know what caused him to punch the referee?
I do not. It's really confusing to me. It's at a kid's sporting event. The referee's blowing the whistle, as we probably hear him do in football games and anything when those kind of things break out. And for some reason, he struck that official. Disappointing.
Has that official been interviewed?
Our detectives have interviewed everyone, including the victim. That's correct.